Good afternoon, everybody, and a very warm welcome. I don't think we could have picked a better day for the opening ceremony here at Birmingham International Freight Terminal. We now have our very own Maritime locomotive. This terminal, Birmingham Intermodal Freight Terminal, known as BIFT, is, as we know, nearer to Tamworth than it is to Birmingham. And after I acquired roadways, I toyed with the idea of renaming it Tamworth Intermodal Terminal Services until someone pointed out the obvious to me. The terminal was opened in 2006 by Mrs. Gwyneth Dunwoody, Shadow Secretary of State for Transport, and consists of 20 acres of concrete, 2 magnificent rail-mounted cranes, 3 straddle carriers, 2 empty container handlers, 120 44-ton trucks, and 160 Class 1 drivers.
Maritime, in terms of the relationship that we have in operating this train, has taken similar risks. I have to say, when we started hauling trains of intermodal boxes, we tended to deal with shippers. And I never thought I'd see the day, and forgive me if I call you a trucker, but the day when a trucking business and a rail business come together and create something that's more efficient and works commercially for both partners.
This locomotive here operates on the 31st train path connecting the port of Felixstowe, and I know, John, you want to send it all over the country, but we're going to have words about that. Carrying 50 containers in each direction.
Both businesses have grown through the last 15 years almost in parallel. It's great that we're, as it says up there, working together now. And I think there's a number of things to the relationship which are important to me. As well as working together, I think commercially we found a way to make services work and to facilitate more boxes coming into the Midlands, and hopefully that's good for both businesses.